Happy June! How was your holiday? Today's menu is fresh winter cabbage kimchi, 봄동겉절이 in Korean. If you are tired of gimjang-kimchi, why don't you make fresh winter cabbage kimchi? It's a very easy and simple recipe. I prepared 2 heads of fresh winter cabbage. First, let's trim and wash. I'll gather together and cut off the bottom of the cabbage. One more. I'll wash it about 3 times. Now let's make the marinade. 1 spoon of fish sauce plus 1 spoon of salted tuna, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 2 spoons of cooking wine, 1 spoon of plum syrup, half spoon of ginger syrup, half spoon of sugar, 3 spoons of red pepper powder, 1 spoon of crushed garlic, 1 spoon of sesame seeds. Let's cut the vegetables. I'll remove the moisture of fresh winter cabbage. If you can cut it in the same direction of fiber, its texture is more better. It will be more crunch. You can cut it like this. Unlike gimjang-kimchi, you don't have to preserve it in salt. Pour it onto the cabbage. Pulse it gently to coat it with the marinade. It smells good. There we go. I should sprinkle some more sesame seeds. You can add sesame oil depending on your preference. It looks appetizing and refreshing. Let me try this. It is so savory and sweet. Please make sure to make it. You'll love it. Thank you. Goodbye.